Mike, hey, on your, this is the Firewall, whatever. Does it naturally curve down? All this is original metal except that right there. But does it curve down naturally? It was smashed in, previous damages. And my question is, does it go flat? Does it go down like a concave, or does it go straight across? I'm tending to think that since all this metal is original, you know, I cut it out, bent it back into shape, and then welded this panel right here back in place. Because this one, as you remember, was all smashed in, and this was all rotted. So, but putting it back in, I can see it has a like a nice little curve. So I'm tending to believe and lean on the notion that this top support brace is so boogered up I cannot really rely on its integrity or its shape. So I'm just going to rely on this shape and make this one, this brace, or this support bracket, whatever it's called, fit down in here and lay down nicely in there. So that's my question to you. And looking at it from back here, it looks normal, it looks natural like that, okay? The door's fixed right here. And you know, the edge that was beat up. I think that's it right here. This edge right here it was beat up, but now it's good. So yeah, so that's what it is. So that's just more of a question to you / update, and give me some feedback on the curve. Okay, thank you.